Hey Divas, Kaden here and welcome back to Chef It Up Fridays. On the menu we have some honey garlic chicken wings. Yes, I said it. So already went ahead, washed and cleaned my chicken, so now it's time to season. I went in with some onion powder, garlic powder, some Mrs. Dash chicken blend, chicken bouillon, meat and poultry, some seasonal, Larry Mays, slap your mama along with some pimento season. After adding those, I'm going to go ahead and mix them in really well until everything is coated. After mixing in all my powdered season, I went in with some cornstarch, and this is gonna add that little crunch to it because I like my wings well done and also crispy. After everything is mixed in, it's time for frying. So my pot is already preheated and my oil is ready. So now I'm gonna go ahead, add my wings to the pot and let those fry. I'm going to check on them occasionally to ensure that they're not burning up. I'm going to ensure they fry on all sides until golden brown. And when I say I like my wings well done, this is exactly what I mean. Look at this, it's perfection. They're fried golden brown, they're well done, they're crispy. So now it's time to remove them from the pot. I'm gonna go ahead, remove them from the pot and then start on my sauce. Now it's time for me to work on my sauce. So I went in with some butter, garlic paste, minced garlic, honey, garlic powder, and some onion powder. I went ahead, mixed those in really well until everything was set melted. And then I went in and added my wings. Stir, and to ensure that everything is coated. And then I went ahead and plated it out. Here you go, guys. This is it. This is the final results. Please don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And look at it. This is perfection. Everything was falling off the bones. Please don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.